Hey folks, Bob here. Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Got something for you here you don't run across very often, at least I don't. This is a 1980 Porsche 928. It's got the 4.5 V8 engine in it. It's got the 80s styling if there ever was. And whoever detailed this car did a fantabulous job, which I know it's dark in here, but I saw it earlier when there was some light. It's got a few little chips here and there. And you can see by the inspection sticker, this car has been in the garage for a while. But guess what, guys? We're going to take it for a ride. He has put a dealer tag on it. He said, Bob, take this for a test drive. And we're going to do just that. And I've driven Porsche products in the past, but it's not something I do often. Look at the styling on this, guys. Now he's telling me that this is the first Porsche that was engineered, styled, and designed for the American market. 1980, 928. That's the word I'm getting. Look at this thing, won't you? We'll open that hood and let you look at that 4.5 V8. It's an automatic transmission, which I know that poo-poos a lot of you Porsche guys, but you see a little issue with the dash up there. That's the only thing I've seen yet that was bad. Everything else looked pretty good. How about that? 1980s. Little headlights pop up. It's definitely got late 70s, early 80s styling to it. Yeah, let's see if we can't get this hood. He popped the hood while ago, I believe. He made it look easy. Some kind of a lever down in here somewhere. Yep, that wasn't too bad. Now it needs struts on the hood. It won't stay up. Oh man, I bet this thing. He said it's more like a Jag. It's a high-speed, smooth car. It's not a ripping car. It's a touring car, I guess you'd call it, like a Jag. 273 cubic inch engine. 4.5 liter. How about that? All right, let's close this down. It's in good shape for an 80 model. Let's go for a ride. I don't have my window mount with me today. Wish I did. Oh, let me get in here. It's got a pretty good run. 6'4". It's got it's pretty comfortable. And the ignition's on the right hand side. He said that was something they did for the American market when they engineered this car. Guess I need to put the little seatbelt on. Pardon me guys when I do this. All right, we're buckled up. Got good oil pressure. Battery looks pretty good. Fuel looks good. It's nice and cold. You can tell by the temperature gauge on the left. just a little bit more to my liking. Oh, we got to cut that fan down. I don't like that. There we go. Oh, the fan of that thing blowing on me. Bear with me just a second, guys. When I'm driving someone else's car, especially something like this, I want to make sure I get everything right on it. Here we go. I am up here at a car dealer that I do work for. Whenever he gets in something cool like this, he lets me go for a spin, which several of my dealers do. It's the perks of the job. We're in the town of Lewisburg, North Carolina. That's good enough. I got manual steering. Really wish I'd have brought my windshield mount. Alrighty, we're gonna keep it under 140. Pretty sure. Maybe not. And we catch it from a stoplight. There's a cop right there. I ain't gonna rip his car anyway. We're gonna be smooth. Good, really good oil pressure. I can't get no higher. I don't know if that's even working. You hear that V8 motor, boy? Listen to it. This car's got power. I'm barely on the gas. Yes, sir. It's a chick magnet. Need to roll the window down and wave at the ladies. Not bad for a 42-year-old car. Definitely a little, needs a shock in the right rear, hitting hard in the right rear back there. Steering needs a little, it's probably got a rack on it. It's a little bit of play in the steering. It's 42 years old, guys. I wish we could not catch all these lights. Be a belt and a tire on the right front. Something happened, either that or a piece of molding's flapping in the wind. Could be that too. This is definitely a high-speed cruising car, like he was saying. I'm gonna go up here a little ways and turn around, come back. I'm in drive. I don't know if it's got an overdrive or not, but it's only tacking about 1925 or so. The engine sounds like he's doing more than that. out on the same road we were on. All right, good. I had some fun with this car. The insurance agent wouldn't love me no more. Yeah, I remember this is a 1980. Those were not good times for performance. Not really good times for handling either, to be honest with you. Things got a lot better a decade or so later, decade and a half later. Probably or arguably say a nice Mustang GT could keep up with this for a while. That's a good question. Could a Mustang GT, like a 90 model, 302 50 fuel injected 5-speed, could it keep up with this car? And how long could it do it? Because if this will run 140, will a Mustang do that? I don't know if it will. What do you guys think? It's got a little pull to the right. Fix that. Whatever's flapping in that right front on that tire, maybe, and the shock in the back. You probably live with the steering. You get used to that. It's not that bad at all. All right, we're back up here at the dealership. Pull in here and put his car up. Nice. You guys give him a thank you and a thumbs up for letting me drive this car and show you guys. He knew I was on a video. He was cool with it. Big smile on his face. He was just tickled to death. He's a car guy. I'm a car guy. He knows about the YouTube channel. So give him a big thumbs up and a thank you. All right, I'm gonna go back and snap a picture of it. Oh, I can't get the key up. Okay, I better leave it right there. I don't want to break nothing. David, John, I know you guys love this kind of stuff. Hope you enjoyed that. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and we do all kind of crazy car stuff on this channel, and I always got something going on, something different, but most of it is classic cars. I don't know if you'd consider a 1980 Porsche classic. I think it falls into that category. I hope you guys think so too. All right, take care, guys.